Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth and Mars collided? Buckle up because today we are diving into a cataclysmic scenario that is both thrilling and terrifying. Imagine a night sky blazing with the streaks of a distant impending doom, Mars, our neighboring red planet, on a collision course with her. First, let's set the stage. Earth, our blue marble, and Mars, the rusty ball of rock and dust, are on a cosmic crash course. The sheer impact would be beyond anything witnessed in human history. Picture this: Mars, with its diameter of about 4,200 miles, slamming into Earth at speeds of up 230 kilometers per second. The energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The first moments of impact would see both planets crust, shattering like glass. Oceans would vaporize instantly, and the atmosphere would ignite in a fiery inferno. Massive shock waves would ripple across the planet, triggering volcanic eruptions and megatsunamis. Everything we know would be obliterated in seconds. But this cataclysm doesn't end there. The collision would create a new molten world, a fiery mix of Earth and Mars debris. The sky would be filled with red-hot rocks and dust, blocking out sunlight and plunging the remnant of both planets into darkness for years. This new world would be a chaotic molten landscape, slowly cooling and solidifying over millennia. Now, let's talk composition. Earth, rich in water and organic compounds, and Mars, with its iron oxide surface and traces of ancient water. The merger would create a planet with a unique geological and chemical signature. Perhaps new forms of life could emerge from this blend, adapting to the harsh new environment. So what does life after session apocalypse look like? If any life survived initial impact, it would evolve in ways we can barely imagine. Deep underground microbial life might find refuge, slowly adapting to the new world. Over eons, new ecosystems could develop, and who knows, maybe intelligent life would rise again. This hypothetical collision reminds us of the delicate balance of our cosmic neighborhood. Health odds of Earth and Mars actually colliding or astronomically low थे. Exercise makes us appreciate the fragility and resilience of life in our home planet. So next time you gauge up at the nights ki, remember the incredible forces and play and the stories they might one day tell. Stick